Happy Halloween! I'm Amy, and today I'm making pumpkin spice buckeyes. This recipe combines peanut butter, pumpkin, and spices to make a delicious no-bake treat. The center is soft and sweet, and it's dipped in white chocolate. So, who could that be? Oh, it's my neighbor Frankie. Hey Frankie, why don't you dress up for Halloween?
Trick or treat.
Okay, here you go. Come on in and help me make these pumpkin spice buckeyes. Okay, so let's get started. Take a baking sheet and line it with parchment paper and then set it aside. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of peanut butter, 1/3 cup of pure pumpkin, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice. Mix this together until it's well combined. Then add 3 cups of powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time, and mix together until it's fully combined. Using your hands or a cookie scoop that holds 1 tablespoon, roll the dough into a ball and then place it onto your prepared baking sheet. Continue until you have rolled all of your dough. Now place these into the refrigerator to chill for about 1 hour. When the pumpkin spice balls are just about ready to come out of the refrigerator, place 12 ounces of white almond bark into a microwave-safe cup or bowl. Now melt in the microwave in 20 to 30-second intervals, stirring each time until it's melted. Then remove the pumpkin spice balls from the refrigerator. Using a toothpick or a skewer, dip all but the very top of the pumpkin ball into the melted almond bark, and then drop it onto your parchment paper. Repeat until you've coated all of your pumpkin spice balls. If your almond bark gets too thick to dip, you can always reheat it. And here they are, pumpkin spice buckeyes. And you can decorate these if you like, with tinted sugar or sprinkles. I added a piece of pretzel for a stem and then piped on green icing to make vines, to make it look a little bit like a pumpkin. Now be sure to store these covered in the refrigerator. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. Hey Frankie, you want to taste a pumpkin spice buckeye? Oh, wait a minute, just one. Oh no, you don't. And today I'm making pumpkin spice buckeyes. Repeat until when the pumpkin spice balls are just about ready to come out of the refrigerator. I used a piece of pretzel for, oh no. He got through, he left it there. That's all you got is 1 kid. You match.